All right, in this video, you're going to learn how to add a plumbing quote calculator to your website in literally seconds. If you're a plumber watching this video, you're going to want to get your hands on this because you can literally have a lead page that's going to collect. It's going to have a call now button at the bottom that they can click. Your customers can click on mobile to call you instantly. And you're going to have a really cool customizable lead page with a built-in quote calculator with homeowner mode and contractor mode that you can literally copy and paste and have it live on your plumbing site in literally seconds. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now in this video. What we're going to do real quick, I'm going to briefly go over this. I got another video where I go over the whole tool. You can also check this out for yourself. The link's going to be directly below in the video description box or the upper right-hand corner of the video itself. You can come on over and check this out for yourself. And if you want to pick this up for yourself, there's a link to, and I'm going to go over this in 1 second and show you how to install this. So bear with me. It's going to be a very educational video. You're going to want to watch this. But you can pick it up. I'm selling this on Etsy as of now, and I will be selling on my site as well. But buy on Etsy right here. There's a link, and you can have that on your site. If you want to customize one that I can also do for you, just reach out to me, and I can do a customized one as well. So, and my details are right down below, email and phone. So, with that being said, let me show you what this offers and how to install it on your site in literally seconds. This is all customizable. Colors, numbers, phone, all the placeholders. You can customize everything. You're going to see your plumbing company here. It's going to be the name of your company. Need plumbing help, get a fast ballpark price before you call. Your number is going to be here. And obviously, it's all editable. You can put your number in once, and it's going to take your number and put them in all in the places automatically. And you got this is a really cool part about this. It's going to drive, when you drive traffic, when people come to your plumbing website, from whatever city you're in, they're going to want a quote because that's what a lot of people want right off the bat. Just get a ballpark figure of what they're looking at price-wise. So what this is going to do is going to give you instant ballpark pricing, no waiting. See how urgency, timing, and complexity affect costs. Compare standard versus premium fixture options. Be better prepared when you talk to your plumber. So what this is, you got no plugin required, homeowner and contractor modes, print and save estimate right here. And you got homeowner mode, contractor mode. So you're going to have homeowner mode right here, and this is all editable as well. So what they're going to see right now is what you're looking at, and you can change the colors and all that stuff. What plumbing service do you need? Simple drop down, bunch of different options here. All they do, say they got a clogged drain or sink, something simple. Urgency. And they don't have to fill out any of this if they don't want to, but if they want to, they can. It only takes a second. Timing, normal hours, after hours, weekend, holiday, and that's all built into it, the pricing. And it's based off 2026 nationwide averages, so it should be pretty accurate to give a good ballpark figure. But obviously, you want to give your customers a ballpark figure, and then they're going to reach out to you, call you, and then you're going to go out there and actually give them the real number. So what this is going to do is pre-qualify them, though. Home type, you got single family, multifamily, commercial, mobile home. Access difficulty, easy, moderate, difficult. Issue severity. Fixtures or areas affected, it even gives you that. Material quality, standard, mid-grade, high-end. Optional notes you could put in there. So it's real simple to use. And you just click Get My Estimate. And it gives you a low, and it tells you the project summary here, and your number is going to be up here as well. It tells you the estimate date, service, clog, drain, sink, tub, urgency, timing, and everything they filled out will show out down here. They give a low, typical, and a high end. And it tells you what affects your price. And then it says reach out for an actual, which would be you as the plumber, to come out and give them an estimate to get the real numbers. How it works, and you got all this right here. I'm going to go over this real quickly. And these are all, you can edit these for your business. Inside, I'm going to show you that later in this video when I show you how to install this. But this is all the different placeholders you got here, why homeowners choose us, our plumbing services. And you can switch these around. All the text is all editable. You can also add reviews and all that good stuff. Frequently asked plumbing questions. Once again, these are you can edit these as well. but they're pretty. Do you offer free estimates? What should I do in a plumbing emergency? Just general plumbing questions. Ready to get your plumbing fixed, schedule a service visit, and then your number is going to be down here. Numbers right here. And then, like I said, on a mobile phone, you're going to have there's going to be a mobile button at the bottom on this page, so they can call you right after they use this tool up here, the calculator, to get a ballpark figure. They can call you right away. So it's going to drive more leads to your business, and that's what you want, basically, as a contractor of any kind. So then you got contractor mode. This is really cool for you as a plumber. You can do a contractor job estimate, job name, customer name, job address, service type, home type. And you see, if you're watching on the screen, I'm not going to go over this, but everything's, you can put labor hours, labor hourly rate, and this is all, you can edit all these numbers inside the code as well. And you just save it, and it's a little bit more accurate for what you're doing. You can put sales tax in. You click calculate estimate. It says please select a service type, so we'll do that. So as long as you select this, it'll come up with something. And just like the other one, pretty much similar. And then it goes through all the price points you put in. So it's going to give you, it's a nice pricing tool you can use as well in contractor mode that you can edit as well. And it's really easy to edit all this stuff. You can change the colors, all that stuff, and numbers, all that good stuff. So awesome tool. And this is how to install it on your site. So we're going to get to it now, how to add a plumbing quote calculator to your website. We're going to click right here. I got the files opened. Now, once you pick this up, this is where you're going to get. Start here, read me first. WordPress code. There's a preview of what it looks like. Then you're going to get, and you just seen what it looks like, but it's just going to be up to where it ends there. Full install and edit guide. It tells you how to do everything. Troubleshooting tips, license and terms, and then you're good to go. So what we're going to do here is click WordPress code, copy and paste. We're going to click that, open this up. And what we can do here is click, hang on a second here, sorry, I clicked the wrong thing here. Cancel. So what you can do, you got a bunch of different ways to do this. You can copy everything here and just go all the way down. Hold your mouse key with the left mouse key. You hold it down and just copy it all until you get to the very end where it says script, and that's a closing tag right there. Once you get to that, you're done. You can also do Control+A and just copy it all, which is actually easier than what I just did. But there's two ways to do it. Whatever way you want to do it works. And you got all the codes selected. And then what we're going to do here, close that out. So this is what you're going to get when you pick this up. And everything's explained in there. And everything, let me go over this real quick. You can copy this as well, where it says edit these settings, all that stuff. It's not going to show up on your completed lead page. So you can just copy everything as it is. But you're going to see edit your phone number here. Once you get this live on your WordPress site, you can do all that. You're not going to do it from this, but you're going to do it on your WordPress. I'll show you that in a second. It says edit your service area, and it tells you in the quotation marks your city and surrounding area. You just put that in there. Delete that, and you're going to put your city and surrounding area. You can put your logo URL in here as well. Edit your colors here. You can do that if you want to, or you can leave them as is. Need a new roof, get a fast ballpark estimate right here. This is your top headline, and it tells you it tells you the text that's currently on there. All you do is erase anything that's in the parentheses right here. You delete that and you type in your new text, and then you click save, and it'd be good to go. Edit your trust badges, edit your hero card. So it's so simple just to go through here and edit everything. There's the fax, your final call to action. You can even edit your sticky call bar here. And your phone number, all that good stuff. Quick edit area. And it's going to show you in the directions how to do this. Literally takes you seconds. But what you're going to do, I'm not going to spend too much time on that, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. Let's get out of here. And then what you're going to do to get this on your site is this. Let me X out of this. And what we're going to do right now is go to Add Page. See, I got Plumbing Lead Page Demo install in seconds. What we're going to do here is click Edit HTML. And we're going to paste the code that we copied earlier right there. There it is right there. We're good to go. And you're going to click Update. Bam, you're good to go. It's installed on your site. You see how quick and easy that was? And then what you're going to do, I'm going to show you one quick thing real quick. I'm going to delete this. And when you're inside WordPress, if you're new to this, where it says type to choose a block or to use Content AI, click the plus button here. See where it says custom HTML, that's where you're going to want to click. If you don't see that popping up right away, and a lot of you won't, what you'll do is type in HTML in the box, and it'll pop up. Click custom HTML, edit HTML, paste the code, click update, make sure it shows up. It'll show you a preview on the right. And you click save draft. You're going to actually publish it. When you're done publishing it, it's going to be live, obviously. We're going to click view preview. Let me do that one more time. And there it is right there. Same as you've seen it before. And I think this is a different version of it, but this is the same, similar to the one not the done one you've seen. This one's going to be a little different. This is one of the earlier models, but it's going to look similar to this. And you'll see on the page, like directly below in the video description box, exactly how it looks with the one I just did the demo on. So what we're going to do is go back to Add Page. And then if you want to edit everything, all you got to do is go into Edit Code right here. And it's where you pasted that code. Now you can edit everything. And it's going to show you how to do that in the PDFs when you do get this. Edit only the quick edit area below. And it tells you where to do that. And you edit everything. And then once you get everything edited, you just click Update. And all the changes are going to apply in seconds. So let me show you real quick. The quick edit area, we're going to go into here. Edit your business name here. So watch this. You just see where it says your roofing company. We're going to put, this is actually a roofing one. I grabbed the wrong one, but that's okay. We're going to put Jay's Roofing. I have a roofing one as well. Obviously, I pulled up the wrong one on this. That's not a big deal though. Same exact thing scenario with this one as with the other one. So we put in Jay's Roofing as with the plumbing one, and the roofing one's the same. It works the same way. So we're going to put in Jay's Roofing, or in your case, it'd be for a plumbing website. So we put in Jay's Plumbing. You click Update, and you see it updated right there. Same thing with the phone number and all that good stuff, and then you're good to go. So you can literally have this going in seconds. And when you switch the phone number, it's going to switch out all the placeholders. You only have to do it once, and you're good to go. So literally anybody can do this. If you can copy and paste, you can follow directions. You can literally have this up and running in literally minutes. Very easy to do. If you have any questions about this, click the link directly. If you have any questions about this, let me rephrase this. If you have any questions about this, send me a comment in the comment section below. And if you want to try this out for yourself, like I said, this is it right here. This is the actual plumbing one. I grabbed the roofing one on accident. It's not a big deal because it's the same philosophy. But you're going to see right here. You can come on over, check this out for yourself. If you do like it, like I said, you can pick this up on Etsy, and I will be offering this for sale on my site in the near future. But you can pick it up on Etsy right here. If you want me to do a custom version for you, you can give me a call or email me, and I can also do a custom one and install it for you. as well. So that's another option. But the done for you one is under $100, and you can literally get this installed in seconds. And it's a great tool to have that you can get up and running. And literally, like I just showed you, it's very quick and easy to customize. So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.